Good morning. I'm at Minnewaska State Park, and today we're going to do the Gertrude's Nose and Milbrook Mountain Loop. Really excited about this hike. It's a little bit overcast and we're about 2 weeks behind peak foliage season, but I think it's going to be a great hike nonetheless. If you're new to the channel, my name is Alex, and I do day hikes as well as backpacking, overnight hikes in New York and New Jersey currently. In the future, I'm sure I'll do hikes further afield. And a hiking content, please like and subscribe, and check out some of my other videos on the channel. Thank you. All right, we're going to do some bushwhacking up Beacon Hill, and then connect with another trail on the other side. Let's see if that's an option. All right, looks like that's not an option, so we're going to head back to the trail and follow the trail back to the waterfalls. That was the Awosting Falls, and now we're going to head over to Lake Minnewaska. Real foggy today. This hike is known for its views, but it doesn't seem like the sun is going to have the power to cut through this. All right, we're going to go to the visitor center. Life at Minnewaska State Park includes the beaver, we have rattlesnakes, we have owls, we have the elusive fisher, we have the fox, and we have a black bear. Hiking along the edge of Lake Minnewaska, but unfortunately due to the fog, I have zero visibility. From the lake, we're now going to the Milbrook mountain footpath. This Milbrook Mountain Trail is really fun, highly recommended. I'm going to stay on that to Gertrude's Nose. If you're wondering why I'm breathing so hard, for the last half hour it's been up only. Not crazy up, but pretty steep, pretty technical. I arrived at Milbrook Ridge, following the ridge line. Sun's trying to break through. Would be nice. Makes perfect sense that this is one of the most popular spots for peak foliage viewing season. We arrived at Gertrude's nose. Pretty impressive. Very impressive. We're 9 miles in today's hike at Gertrude's Nose. We're not going to have lunch here because it's starting to rain, so I'm going to head back as quickly as possible. So far it's been an amazing hike, a lot of views, challenging, really fun. Highly recommended, but you don't need me to tell you that. This is one of the most famous hikes in the Catskills. Come out and check it out. Gertrude's Nose from the other side. Slippery, this moss is treacherous. Off the cliff, that was beautiful, really worth the hike and worth the travel by bus and cab all the way here, all worth it. Looks like the peacock was working on this. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful Lake Minnewaska. I can hear the waterfall, so that means we're close to completing this hike. That wraps up this week's hike at the Minnewaska State Park Reserve. We covered the Awosting Falls, Lake Minnewaska, and Gertrude's Nose. I thought it was a good hike. Challenging and quite technical in some parts. So if you like this hike, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.